The question says, in which of the following processes nitrogen is oxidized? Related to oxidation reaction, we have learned that increase in oxidation number is always oxidation reaction. Increase in oxidation number is always oxidation reaction. To answer this question, first of all, we write down the oxidation number of nitrogen on both sides, and then we can compare. If there is an increase in oxidation number, then we can say it is oxidized. Okay. We have ammonium ion. Option A is there, ammonium ion. In ammonium ion, you can see it is having positive charge. Then we can say is equal to positive charge. Okay, that is +1. For nitrogen, we have to calculate oxidation number. Hydrogen attached to non-metal always shows +1 oxidation number. There are 4 hydrogen, +1 is there. Okay, +1. Nitrogen +4 is equal to +1 is there. Then nitrogen is equal to +1. And 4 will go other side, -4 is equal to -3. Nitrogen is present in -3 oxidation numbers. Here we have -3 oxidation numbers. This side is what is 0. Okay, because it is a molecule made up of same type of atoms. Now you can compare the oxidation number. -320. -320 is increase in oxidation number. You can see this value is increasing. And increase in oxidation number is always oxidation reaction. Okay, very clear? Now if you want to check for the option B, so in this case you can see NO3 minus is given there. This is nitrate ion. Charge is what? -1, right? Is equal to -1. 1 nitrogen, how many oxygen? 3 oxygen. Each oxygen is what? -2. Then we have nitrogen, and 3 2 is 6. -6 is equal to -1. Then nitrogen is equal to -1 plus 6 is equal to +5. Okay. In this case, nitrogen is present in +5 oxidation number. Okay. And other side we have NO. Oxygen is what? -2. Then nitrogen will be obviously +2. +5 to +2, decrease in oxidation number. Always keep in mind, decrease in oxidation number is always reduction reaction. Okay. Now for the other option also we can check. 2 oxygen. Each oxygen is what? -2. Then nitrogen will be 2 2 is 4. It will be present in +4 oxidation numbers. Okay. NO2 minus, other side is given there. NO2 minus, we can calculate oxidation number of nitrogen. So overall charge is what? -1 is equal to -1 written. Nitrogen, how many oxygens are there? 2 oxygen. Each oxygen is what? -2. Then nitrogen, it is -4 is equal to -1. Nitrogen is equal to -1 plus 4 is equal to +3 is there. So nitrogen is present in +3 oxidation number. Here we have +3 oxidation number. Here also you can see decrease in oxidation number. +4 to +3, decrease in oxidation number is always reduction reaction. Here we have the reduction reaction. Now we talk about the last one. In ammonium ion, we have already calculated nitrogen is present in -3 oxidation numbers. Okay. NO3, each oxygen is what? -2. Then 3 2 is 6. Nitrogen will be present in +6 oxidation number. If you compare, there is a decrease in oxidation number, and decrease in oxidation number is always reduction reaction. Okay, so very simple concept is there. Whenever these kind of questions are there, always apply the concept of increase in oxidation number is always oxidation reaction, and decrease in oxidation number is always reduction reaction. Hence we get the first option correct.